Hi guys. So I'm going to be doing my very first unboxing for Ipsy. So let's see what I got. Okay, so here's the bag. Very cute. Now, I guess this was supposed to be in a bag, but this is the first thing I see, and it's a brush from Firma Beauty. I never heard of it, but this is what it looks like. Number 201, 102. That's what it looks like. It's very soft. I like the way it feels. I'm guessing it's a blush brush. I'm not sure, but it feels really soft. I like it. So I got that. And the contents inside of the bag, I have, let's see, the Professional. So I'm guessing this is a primer. It's like a little sample size. Looks like. Come on, focus. How do you? Well, anyway, that's it. Also, sorry about the way I look. I just came from a walk. I'm trying to lose weight. I also have some Pure Brazilian Miracle Leave-In Conditioner. So I'm really excited to use this. See how it smells. Oh, it's like really runny, like liquidy. It smells good. Pretty clean. Also, I have 3x Sublime. This is 3-in-1 blackhead wash scrub plus mask. So I will be trying this tonight. Yeah. Also, oh, this looks like a blush, like a sample. It is. All right, and this is from Ofra. O-F-R-A, Ofra Cosmetics. And it's Blush Melon. And this is the color. Looks like someone stuck their finger in it. But that's the color. I'll probably use this today with the blush brush. Just apply it. It feels really soft. I like it. I also have, where is it? So I do have the Jaclyn Hill brush set by Morphe, or Morphe, whatever it's called. Honestly, I wish it had a eyebrow brush, but it doesn't. But there's a ton of brushes in here, and I mean, this would just be added to my collection of Morphe, and I have some MAC brushes, not too many because they're pretty expensive. But look at all these, like everything possible in here. And then my sister gave me Ulta's version of a beauty blender. So I mean, between these two blush brushes, this is the M530 from Morphe. I think this is the, well, this is the one I use as a blush. I'm excited to try this because you can definitely feel the difference. It's like much more soft, this one. But I'm not knocking Morphe because you get a lot for your money with these brushes. This is my absolute favorite, the blush, this powder brush. E41. So that's that. Look at my ratchet nails. Okay, well, thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you guys click on me again. Let me know if you want me to do a review on these and how I do my makeup, because I do have quite a lot. Well, enough. Let's just say enough. I'm also gonna use this today to review it, see how I like it. Never heard of it. Formula 1006. And then I'm gonna use this today as my primer. So thank you guys for watching. Take care.